Hello, my name is Glenn with Carrier Enterprise Florida Tech Support. Today I'd like to discuss installation of the ICM-493 and setup. Installation of the ICM-493 is not very difficult. There is a wiring schematic and instructions on the panel. If you open the panel, you can see what's inside. It's basically just a contactor. The circuit board has some MOVs, which are surge arresters, and that's used for protection. You have line voltage in. Okay, this is coming from my disconnect, which is right next to the ICM. It's monitoring the voltage here on T1 and T2, and on the load side of the contactor, it's these wires here, is going to my condensing unit, which is an inverter. The control box is mounted with 4 screws in the back. You can see one here, one on the other side, and then 2 down in the back there. It's a weatherproof box, so it holds up pretty nicely outside. Now that we've installed the ICM-493, we need to calibrate it and go through the setup. To perform the calibration, you hold up and down at the same time until the voltage flashes, and then you can make your setting. I'm reading 245 on my system, and then I can hit setup to save it. Now it's set. Then you go into the setup and you can set your nominal voltage, your over under, which I'm going to leave at 10%, but you can adjust this. You also have your anti-short cycle delay. I'm going to set mine at 3 minutes. And then you have your reset mode, 4 trials. There's 5 MOVs in here, but I want to set it at 4, so on the 4th one it's not going to automatically reset. It'll shut down and it'll alert me. That way I have to come out and service the unit. Allowed MOVs to fail, I'm going to set that at 4. Okay, and then that's it. Your setup is complete. We're recommending the ICM-493 on any inverter product. That would be traditional condensing units, mini split condensing units. Anything with an inverter should have an ICM-493 for added protection. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been informative.